Hi everyone, Jose Crespo here with Precise HVAC Home Services YouTube channel. And here on this channel, you are going to learn on how to change your filters, on how to properly check your system if it's working correctly, maybe even change your thermostats. You are going to get a boatload of knowledge that a lot of service technicians and HVAC companies do not want you to know. And here's the knowledge you're about to learn. How to prepare your system for winter ready. What does that mean exactly? Well, you're not using your AC system anymore, right? So let's take care of it. Let's make sure that we are trying to make it last longer. How do we do that? Well, one, what we can do is we can cover the outdoor unit. I'm not opposed to covering your outdoor unit, but if you do so, make sure you're keeping the cover completely around the unit, but you're also putting mice repellent around the system. You can use fox urine, mothballs. There's a lot of remedies you can use that will deter your rodents from coming in. Another thing is, well, if you have vents in the ceiling, you don't want air to go up there, right? You don't want your hot air to go through the vents and go into the ductwork. There's no need for that. Get yourself some covers. They're magnetic and they will automatically go onto your supply. There's no need for no tools. There's nothing that's needed except just slap them on there. You can do that for the return as well, as long as it's not being used for heating as well. You can only do that if it's an AC only system. Another thing you can do is turn your breakers off, right? You don't want the system to just randomly turn on out of nowhere. You're having breakfast, you're having dinner in your home, and somehow the AC turned on. A possibility could be there, right? Maybe one of the kids went ahead and turned the AC on by mistake. You don't want to do that. So turn the breakers off. But just remember, very importantly, when that springtime comes, you turn those breakers back on. Another thing you can do is make sure that the indoor unit has a brand new filter so you're ready for the spring when that time comes. And those are the tips that we offer for you to make sure you get winter ready.